How to fix Solid Start's app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you can go ahead and press and hold onto your application. Then go to App Info. In here, force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. You can also open up your mobile setting for this. Now from here, you have to scroll down and select Apps. Select all apps and search for Solid Starts and tap on it. Similarly, force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you are done, you can exit from your setting. On to the next step, you have to check for an update for your application. Open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Solid Starts. Tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall it and reinstall it later. You can also open up your phone setting, but this time we'll be checking for our system update. You can head back from all of this to the main setting option. Now from here, scroll down and tap on System Update. Make sure that your phone is up to date to support the version of the application. Last step is to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes when your Wi-Fi is acting up, you may face such issue. In that case, you can switch to your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And that is exactly how you can fix the issue of your app not working. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.